What's up, you guys? It's Mikeya. Welcome back. And today's video, I'm doing a wig review, another one, and I'm going to be showing you guys this unit that I got from Samsbeauty. Isn't she gorgeous? And if you guys want to see my try on and review on this unit, you guys should continue to watch. This wig is from Sensational. This is their Curls Kink and Company in the style Game Changer, and I have the color 1B, and you guys make sure you check the description below for the wig details. The construction of this wig has lace in the front, 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back. It has adjustable straps, and it also has baby hairs in the front.
Okay, y'all, let's put her on. So she looks really tight, so let's struggle to put it on. Okay. Yeah, she's really tight.
And I just want to show you guys what the wig looked like before I cut the lace off and before I style it to my face. I want to give you guys an overall view on it so you can see exactly how it looks on before I do anything else necessary to it.
Y'all, I'm just going to cut off a little bit of this lace. I don't want to cut it off all the way. So I'll be right back when I get it cut. Okay, you guys, details about this unit. First off, I love the curl pattern. It's just like my hair, but fuller and thicker and just, I'm in love. Like, I love it. I really do. And I really do. I love the color. It's just, it looks so natural. Now the hair, I really like the way it feels. It doesn't feel like too, like, I can't describe it. It doesn't feel fake or too synthetic. It just I love it. I will say the cap is really tight, so I give that a go. I will not have to use the combs, which I never really use the combs anyway in a wig. It's just, they irritate me a lot, and I think I'm going to be taking the combs out of all of my wigs because I don't use them and I don't need them. And the lace is nice. It matches my skin. I don't really have to disguise it as much, but of course, when I do wear it, I will disguise it. But for video purposes, I'm putting it on. Y'all already know the gist, what we doing here. And I really like it. And the next time I do wear it, I am going to have my hair braided because I don't like how bulky it's sitting on my head, how it's looking on my head, but that's because my hair is not braided. My hair needs to be washed and everything. That's a little too much information, but y'all, you know, pretty much I'm going to wear it while it's flat. My hair is braided to the back. Overall, like, I love this. I don't have anything negative to say about this hair. I think it's like, I love it. I was so happy when I saw this. I was like, yes. I really don't have anything else to say. I really don't. It's just self-explanatory. I love it. If you guys like this unit, also, I'm going to link it down below in the description. Make sure you check it out. And thank you so much, Samsbeauty, for sending me this beautiful unit. I love it. I really do. And you guys make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It will help out. And you guys make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I surely will appreciate it. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.